While exploring Agra, we decided to treat ourselves to 2 nights at the iconic Oberoi Amarvilas. It's a 7-star experience with uninterrupted views of the Taj Mahal. This was luxury like we've never experienced before.
So this is the beautiful hotel. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow. This is just as impressive as the Taj Mahal.
It is.
Absolutely splendid. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Yes, you are.
And you get to wake up to that. How amazing is that? So we booked into the Oberoi here in Agra. A special treat for Pete and I with the Taj Mahal in full view from our room, which is absolutely stunning. And we've just changed some plans because we can't stay one night and take in everything that this has to offer in one night. Look at this place. This is absolutely stunning. So not only is the view spectacular, the grounds are spectacular, but this is our bedroom. The attention to detail is amazing. And I mean, this room is really a suite. They did upgrade us. We didn't ask to be upgraded, but they upgraded us. And there's the dressing room, I suppose, and the amazing bathroom, which is absolutely incredible. And apparently the only bathtub with a view of the Taj Mahal. So we got toilet, Taj. Now, I don't think you could get a better view from a toilet. Shower is lovely. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Isn't that fantastic? Cheers. We're just sitting down on the terrace here, having a relaxing couple of drinks, and we'll have a little snack, and then we have dinner on our balcony.
Absolutely delicious. Having dinner on our balcony, baby.
It's pretty special.
Can you see the sunset?
I can see the sunset.
So this is your appetizer.
Look at that.
This one that you see is the lamb chop, chicken pieces.
Yep.
Both of them have been marinated into some sour cream, and then they have been roasted inside our tandoors.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
That smells
It's called
amazing.
marag. Marag basically is made up of chicken's broth,
Yep.
and then it's spiced up with some, Indian spices, and it's topped up with some herbs.
Lovely.
Wow.
Wonderful dinner. You feel like royalty. It really is so nice.
Magnificent.
And it's been a couple of unbelievable days. So this is the ultimate Thali.
This is dal makhni.
Yeah.
Takes 16 hours of marination to prepare it, and hence it's from our fine dining Indian specialty restaurant, which is Esfahan. Then this is saag paneer. It's basically spinach and a lot of green leafy vegetables. That is raita, topped up with some cucumbers and some pomegranate seeds. That is chicken preparation for you.
I really don't know what to eat first.
Look at that. This is dessert. Looks spectacular.
Oh, they are so beautiful. We have an elephant and a Santa and a camel. And
How cool is that?
And a beautiful bauble.
So elephants in India are known for bringing good luck. That is why I have a small elephant.
Oh, thank you. They
Thank
are
you so much.
gorgeous.
Most welcome.
You're the best.
You are the
Thank you
best.
so much.
Good morning. It's I don't know what time it is.
No.
I think it's probably about 7. We're going to check out the pool. People are going to look at us like we're weirdos, but it is heated and it looks amazing. It actually feels very Egyptian. Wow, look at this. Just looks so surreal.
All right, time to test the waters. Come down for breakfast, and it appears that there's quite a few people here at the Oberoi. The main dining room was full, so we've had to come over to the other dining room. So that means we've been very lucky to have been able to extend our stay for another night.
To fully enjoy this amazing place.
Breakfast is served,
It looks incredible.
ready to enjoy. We are just heading out of the hotel to go into town.
This will be our outing for the day.
That's it. So we're in the back room of a shoe shop, many shoes, and in there is where they do all the photos taken at the Taj. And this is where we've come to get our mini SD card with the many thanks from the Oberoi,
For the hotel, yeah.
because there's no chance we would have found this. So we managed to pick up the SD card.
With a lot of help from our chauffeur.
Yes, so the gentleman from the Oberoi who arranged it, drove us there, haggled for us, and we got a very good price.
Yay! Successful outing, of which we did nothing.
That was it, yeah.
We have our own palace.
Feels that way. lunch looks amazing. Cow sway with the add-ins. Pete got a
Arabian meze, a few different types of hummus, and maybe some couscous, and got some more
of those delicious morsels.
dumplings.
All right.
Hey, we can eat it all.
The hotels, however, felt that preparing suited the film's narrative and genre.
very foggy morning this morning.
Very, very foggy. Good thing we weren't going to the Taj this morning.
No. It's super foggy this morning.
We can't even see the borders of the hotel gardens.
Yeah, that's exactly where the Taj Mahal should be. Someone's stolen the Taj Mahal. How's your bath?
It's beautiful. I'm just imagining seeing the Taj Mahal out there. How nice would that be if the Taj Mahal was there?
Yeah. It would be very nice.
But I do have a pigeon.
So you're ready for our road trip?
No. I don't want to leave here because it's been so beautiful and relaxing and chilled out. But it's really just sort of today and tomorrow, and then move on to Oberoi the next day, and then it'll be relaxing for the last few days. Looks delicious, baby.
Certainly does.
Yum. You get the impression they're saying, stop just eating Western food, eat some Indian food. So we get it given to us to try. No.
Bye, Oberoi. It's been wonderful. It's, yes. You will be missed.
Can we take these doors? Emperor, darling. Yes, can you send the chariot in about an hour? I'm in the royal bath.